Are you looking to manage your tasks better? Do you need a to-do list to set up correctly and track the activities? Then in today's video, I will show you exactly that and 4 best ways to set up Trello as your custom to-do list. Hello everyone, this is Sonit from Techie. Now, the first breakdown is like this one, as you can see on my Trello board. So, well, I have many Trello boards that I actually use. Now, from here, I have created this one as my YT channel. So that is my YouTube channel. So these are the specific lists that I have, and this is a simple Kanban method that I'm showing here. Why? Because it has a to-do list here. It has few sets of tasks that are in progress and also some which I have identified as completed. So basically my objective is that I will prepare a task list like this, and then as and when I am completing those tasks, I will be able to shift them like this, okay, as and when between these lists. So this is most likely the way any activity can be arranged in a breakdown structure. So you can well go in the cards and add a due date, as I have done for this particular task. So the way you do that is you add a due date here, and you can put a due date as say 28th, and then you click on save. So that sets it up for 28th. And what happens is, once you have crossed that day, or when you are coming near to that date, it will definitely show you here as overdue, or it will show you as you need to get it done. So if we now go to the next level, so what I would want to do is I want to add labels to it. So labels, what I say is the ones that you can see here in green and yellow. So I have prepared a list of labels already. So let me click on this particular task, and then if I click on labels here, then you will see that I have some predefined labels created here. So the list that I have created here is like say beginners, intermediate and advanced, and some as website, web hosting, niche, selection. So what I will do is I need to assign those labels to the different tasks that I have in order for me to understand where in which category it falls under. So for example, picking up a channel name is definitely a beginner's task. Now customizing say the website could be an intermediate task. So I make it as an intermediate. Then add about yourself could be definitely one where you would want to add it as a beginners, and so on. I can go ahead and quickly fill up my sheet and then come back here. So I completed adding most of the labels to the task. So as you can see here, and for example, I just need to add another one, say edit the videos with tools. So it could be, you can go here, edit labels, and then you can have it as advanced, because this is editing the tools, so you would need somebody advanced. So what I can do is I can assign these to the different categories of associates or maybe students, whatever is the case might be. So beginners could be for all the junior members that can handle that particular task. Similarly, intermediate is for the middle experience group, and the advanced where you would need the experts to chip in and help you in that particular activity. So what I mean by that is, for example, decide your plan of action for your YouTube channel. So you would want experts to help you out in what plan you might need to do. And for example, even the video editing, that could be done by an advanced or expert video editor. Right now, the nice thing is that if you want to remove any labels for any reason, you can go simply click on the label and then select the pen icon that you see. So for example, I want to remove this. So what I do is I click here Then I click on the edit labels, right? And then you see that beginners is ticked here and none of the other ones are ticked. So if I simply remove this, it goes, and if I click save, it's done. So it removes that from the beginners label. And of course you can go ahead and add another label to it. Now if I go to the show menu, and then under there if I click on search cards, and if I select beginners for example, then you would see that it filters out only those activities that belong to beginners. So just imagine how easy it becomes for us when this particular board is a complex board having lots of different tasks, right? So now I know exactly what are those tasks and who those people are that need to be assigned to those. So assigning those, so there is a team concept which I will take in a different video altogether, where you can add your own team. Like for example, I have here team YT. So this is a great way to improve your team's productivity. So I want to add another label to this. So let me go here and add the label, say web hosting, right? And let me save this and go back, and maybe for uploading and publishing I would also want to add another label to this. So say website, okay. And for privacy policy I would want to add another label as say website for the purpose of this particular demo. And again for this one, say let's add niche selection, okay. Now just see, if I again go back to show menu, and then if I select only say I select the intermediate and the web hosting, okay. So let me deselect the other ones and just see what happens. So here you see that I have selected intermediate or web hosting. So it gives me these cards. So these are the two cards that I have that fall under web hosting or intermediate or both. And if I want to take it up a notch higher and I want say beginners, then you would see here that all things that fall under these categories are coming up, right? So this is a very good way of checking out and filtering out the activities that you would want to see. Now what if that you want to add some subtasks? Then what you need to do is you need to just go to any card, and then so let me first clear the search and then I get back my original board. So now what if that you want to add some subtask? So now you can select any card that you have. So let me select this intro channel, and you can go ahead and add some subtasks to this card. The way you do it is you basically add checklist to it. So I already have two checklists created. So you do it by just clicking checklist and then you go on adding the checklist that you have, okay. And once you are done, if you see that if you have already identified your goals for your channel, it does 50% because you have only two subtasks there. Click on the other one as well and you are done with that. You would see here that Trello gives it a green signal, meaning that your subtask for this task has also been completed. So the video that is popping up on your screen now talks about Trello, and it gives a very basic quick overview to get the feel of this powerful application. So in case you have liked my video, would request you to please consider subscribing to my channel, give me a big thumbs up, and also do not forget to share this with all your friends and families, because the more you share, the more you get. Thank you so much. Till the next time, bye bye.